everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my beginner slash advanced beginner combo to Feather by Sabrina Carpenter. So if you don't know some of the steps in this tutorial, in this combo, I have a tap step tutorials playlist where I think I go over most of the steps that I do in the combo. So if you need to learn a step, pause this video, find that playlist, find the video, learn it, and then come back here. And then also I posted a short earlier this week where I do this dance with music. And so once you're done learning the dance here, you can go find that link in my description box below and you can do the dance with music once you're done learning it here. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to start with 2 flap heels, one on the right, one on the left. So you're going to go flap heel, and then you're going to throw in a Broadway on the right. I call it a Broadway. Other people call it Alexander. I know there's Shirley Temple. I think I've heard New York. Lots of names for this step. I call it a Broadway. So we have flap heel, and then Broadway. Starting on the right foot, we have flap heel, Broadway right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to repeat this on the left side. So now we start our flap heels on the left, right, Broadway's left. Good. From here, we're going to go into 4 drawbacks. Starting on the right foot, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and toe heel stomp on the right foot. Okay, so start on the right foot, end on the right foot. So we have again those drawbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, toe heel stomp, and we're going to repeat that on the left side. Since it's a beginner dance, I like to keep it very simple, and so you'll see whatever happens on one side, I'll most likely repeat on the other side. So we're going to do that same drawback combo on the left side now. We have 4 drawbacks starting on the left. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the toe heel stomp is on the left. Okay. From here, we're going to do 2 paradiddles, right, left. And we're going to do an 8 count paradiddle on the right. And we're going to repeat that now on the left side. 2 paradiddles, left, right. And then an 8 count paradiddle on the left. And now we're going to do 2 crawls, one on the right, one on the left. And it's a 4 count crawl, so you're going to go step, and then heel, toe, heel. Same thing on the left. Step, heel, toe, heel. And then we're going to slide on the right. And then you're going to go ball change. And then cramp roll on the left. The cramp roll, I think, is like the fastest thing in the whole dance. I mean, everything's a very steady beat. And then the cramp roll kind of comes out at the end. Da-da-da-da. Yeah. All right. So from the top again, we have flap heel, Broadway 2 times, 4 drawbacks, toe heel stomp 2 times, paradiddle, 8 count paradiddle 2 times, 2 crawls, slide, ball change, cramp roll. Okay, now that we've kind of talked it through, let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to talk us through as we go, and then the second time through, I won't say any of the names of the steps, and we'll just run it through up to speed. Okay, here we go. The flap heels. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap heel. Broadway, left side, Broadway, drawback 4, toe heel stomp, left side, paradiddle 2 times, 8 count, left side, crawl twice, slide, ball change, cramp roll. Okay. All right, let's do it up to tempo. I'm not going to say the names of the steps, and this is the last time we'll do it in this video. And if you need to, you can always pause, rewind to a section you maybe didn't quite catch quite as well, or you can also slow the video down. So lots of things you can do to help you learn. Okay. All right, let's do it again from the top. I'm not going to say the names, and it's up to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, let me know down in the comments section below. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.